If HandBrake is giving you a .NET Framework or .NET Runtime error on Windows, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step so you can get HandBrake opening normally again. This usually happens when the required .NET Desktop Runtime is missing, corrupted, or the wrong version is installed. So if HandBrake won't launch, keeps showing an error, or closes immediately, this guide should help. And before we get into it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you need to understand is that HandBrake does not just need any version of .NET. It specifically needs the .NET Desktop Runtime, not the SDK, and not the console runtime. That detail matters because a lot of people install .NET and still get the error simply because they installed the wrong package. So open your browser and go to the official Microsoft.NET download page. Once you are there, look for the version HandBrake needs. In most current cases, that will be .NET 8.0, but if you are using an older version of HandBrake, it may require .NET 6.0. The safest approach is to check which version your HandBrake release expects and match that version exactly. Now here is the key part. On the download page, look for the section that says Run Desktop Apps. That is the desktop runtime column. On the right side, you should see the x64 download option. If your Windows PC is 64-bit, this is usually the correct one. Click Download x64, then save the installer to your computer. Once the file finishes downloading, run the .exe installer. Follow the setup prompts, accept the terms if needed, and let the installation complete. After that, restart HandBrake and check if it opens normally. In many cases, that alone fixes the error immediately. If HandBrake still shows the same message after installing .NET, the next thing to try is repairing a corrupted installation. Sometimes .NET is technically installed, but the files, registry entries, or paths are damaged. When that happens, HandBrake still cannot detect it correctly. To fix that, download the Microsoft.NET Repair tool. Once it is on your system, run it and follow the prompts carefully. The tool will look for common .NET issues and attempt to repair broken registry keys, missing components, and file path problems. When the repair process is complete, restart your PC. This reboot is important because it helps Windows fully reload the repaired components. Then launch HandBrake again and see if the issue is gone. If you are still running into the error, you should check for an architecture mismatch. This is another very common problem. For example, if you have a 64-bit computer but accidentally installed the 32-bit x86 version of .NET, HandBrake may fail to open properly. The same can happen if you installed the wrong runtime type or version. To avoid that, make sure you are downloading the x64 desktop runtime, not x86, and not just any .NET package. If you are unsure, open your system information and confirm whether your Windows installation is 64-bit. In most cases today, x64 is the correct choice for HandBrake on Windows. Now, if HandBrake still refuses to work after all of that, there is one more option you can try, and that is the portable version of HandBrake. This can sometimes bypass system-level .NET conflicts because it runs from its own extracted folder instead of relying on the same installation path as the standard version. To do that, go to the HandBrake downloads page and look for the portable.zip version. Download it, then extract the zip file to a folder on your desktop or somewhere easy to find. Open that folder and run handbrake.exe directly from there. If the issue was caused by a broken system installation or a conflict with your installed version of HandBrake, the portable version may launch without any problems. So to quickly recap, first, make sure you install the correct .NET Desktop Runtime version. Second, if needed, repair a broken .NET installation. Third, confirm you are using the correct 64-bit architecture. And finally, if everything else fails, try the portable version of HandBrake as a workaround. If this video helped you fix the HandBrake.NET error, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy computer troubleshooting guides. If you want, I can also make a second video showing how to fix HandBrake not opening, HandBrake missing DLL errors, or HandBrake crash issues on Windows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.